Yo, what's up everybody? It's Smartwatch Inside and we're back again with another video. So, are you looking for the best smartwatch in 2025? Whether you're an adventurer, a fitness enthusiast, or just want the smartest gadget on your wrist, we've got you covered. Today, we're comparing the top 5 smartwatches of 2025: Apple Watch Ultra 2, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, Google Pixel Watch 3, Garmin Venue 3, and CMF Watch Pro by Nothing. Which one is best for you? Stick around to find out. Apple Watch Ultra 2. First up, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, the ultimate rugged smartwatch for Apple users. This beast comes with a 49mm titanium case, a super bright retina display, and extreme water resistance up to 100 meters. It's packed with health features like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep tracking, and its dual-frequency GPS makes it perfect for outdoor adventurers. Pros: premium, rugged design, advanced health tracking, seamless integration with iPhones. Cons: expensive, limited to Apple users, idea for serious athletes, and Apple users who need a durable smartwatch for extreme conditions. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, designed to rival Apple's best. With a 47.4mm titanium case and a high-resolution AMOLED display, it's built for both style and performance. It offers ECG, blood pressure monitoring, and advanced fitness tracking, plus an insane 100-hour battery life. Pros: stunning design with rotating bezel, long battery life, full fitness tracking suite. Cons: works best with Samsung phones, bulky for smaller wrists. Ideal for Samsung users who want a powerful smartwatch with great health tracking and battery life. Number 3. Google Pixel Watch 3. For those in the Google ecosystem, the Pixel Watch 3 is a great pick. It features a sleek 41mm aluminum case and a beautiful always-on AMOLED display. While it may not have the most advanced fitness tracking, it seamlessly integrates with Google Assistant, Google Wallet, and other Google services. Pros: clean, minimalist design. Google Assistant integration works well with Android devices. Cons: battery life could be better, limited advanced health features. Ideal for Android users who want a stylish smartwatch with deep Google integration. Number 4. Garmin Venue 3. Now, let's talk fitness. The Garmin Venue 3 is perfect for athletes and outdoor lovers. It has a rugged stainless steel case, a stunning AMOLED display, and 100-hour battery life. Unlike others, Garmin excels in fitness tracking, offering detailed running, cycling, and even stress management metrics. Pros: extremely durable, top-tier fitness tracking, incredible battery life. Cons: fewer smart features. Rugged look may not suit everyone. Ideal for athletes and adventurers who need an ultra-reliable fitness smartwatch. Number 5. CMF Watch Pro by Nothing. Finally, we have the budget-friendly CMF Watch Pro by Nothing. This smartwatch features a 46.9mm aluminum case, a bright AMOLED display, and 13-day battery life. It's great for those who want basic health tracking and notifications without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable price, long battery life, works with both iOS and Android. Cons: limited advanced features, occasional Bluetooth issues. Ideal for users on a budget who want a stylish smartwatch with essential features. Conclusion and recommendations. So which smartwatch is the best for you? Let's summarize. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Best for Apple users who want a rugged premium smartwatch. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Best for Samsung fans who want the ultimate smartwatch experience. Google Pixel Watch 3. Best for Android users who love Google services. Garmin Venue 3. Best for fitness enthusiasts and adventurers. CMF Watch Pro by Nothing. Best for budget-conscious buyers. Which smartwatch would you choose? Drop a comment below. Text appears on screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smartwatch reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.